Hi everyone, welcome to another video. For this episode, I will feature quick unboxing of my latest Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack set. So I just got it this year as a birthday present, and this is my second Hot Wheels Exotics. Ironically, I also got my first one there as a birthday present 2 years ago. So for this set, it includes a Cadillac El Mirage, a 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7, a Porsche 911 GTR RS GT3 RS, a McLaren F1 GTR in first casting because I normally have a few P1s only, and an Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Okay, so before we unbox them, I'll just show to you my previous exotics. The first set that I got. Okay, it has a Huayra, Pagani, it has an Aston Martin, the purple one, a Lamborghini, Porsche Carrera, and another Lamborghini Roadster. It was a green then, but I swapped it with an orange one. Traded it. Okay, here we go. Time to unbox them. Okay. Quite tight. Tight packaging. Okay. So, what do we got here? Let's start with Cadillac El Mirage. Quick spin. Okay, Cadillac El Mirage. Jaguar F15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Okay, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. I don't force a spin anymore because it's slippery. And my very first McLaren F1. And finally, the Aston Martin V8 Vantage. So there you go. We've unboxed all 5 of them, and we have pitted it against my previous Hot Wheels Exotics first, set 1. What do you think is which do you think is the better set? You may comment below. For me, they're both my favorites because they are special to me. They were both birthday presents for me. Okay, that's it for now. It's just a quick unboxing, and well, thank you for watching another episode of Colonel's Toys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification button so you will never miss another future episode. Thanks again for watching. Bye.